Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to learn how to make money online from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. I'm excited to announce my new YouTube channel dedicated to helping you create multiple income streams and financial freedom. From YouTube tutorials to affiliate marketing, Amazon KDP, graphic design, email marketing, and so much more, I'll be sharing easy and practical ways for you to start earning money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking to supplement your income, my tutorials will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. So, don't wait any longer. I understand the frustration of trying to find legitimate ways to make money online. That's why I'm here to bring you only the best and most reliable methods for earning income from the internet. With my tutorials and guidance, you'll have the opportunity to start making money as soon as possible, without having to invest a lot of time or money. I'll be sharing step-by-step instructions and insider tips to help you navigate the online world and maximize your earning potential. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, I guarantee that you'll learn something new and valuable from my channel. From mastering the art of affiliate marketing to creating profitable book covers with Amazon KDP and Canva, you'll be able to diversify your income streams and grow your wealth. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when new tutorials are up. Let's start making money.